Okay. So I'm Reginald Kuakaru, and I help people that want to create life on their terms, get rid of negative Christian programming and limiting beliefs, so that they can create life on their terms. And that's what my class is about. It's about really you learning and understanding your place as a god or goddess in training, because that's what we are. So that's why I say when it comes to the idea of believing in determinism, no, we're creators and we have the ability to create what we wish. Okay. Now, there are certain things that we have come here to experience that have more energy behind it, that are kind of like the difference between a whitewater river that has the power of a whitewater river or a trickling stream. These different things that are going to happen in our life, but they are put in place to help us to learn and grow. But we have the ability to change the direction of anything that we want. Some of them just have more power behind them and more energy than others. Those things that we are that have more power behind them, maybe you might call that destiny in a sense.